In the heart of Santa Barbara, where coastal beauty meets timeless architecture, excellence in building construction begins with vision. Surrounded by Mediterranean charm, historic influence, and breathtaking natural landscapes, every home tells a story. Behind every exceptional home is a commitment to craftsmanship, precision, and purpose. Perry Lieber brings years of hands-on experience in residential construction. He transforms ideas into structures that reflect both lifestyle and location. His work is not just about assembling materials. It is about creating spaces where families gather, grow, and build lasting memories. From custom ground-up construction to refined structural execution, each project begins with careful planning and thoughtful design. Coastal residences, each home is designed to harmonize with its surroundings while meeting modern performance standards. From foundation to finishing touches, craftsmanship defines every stage of the process. Structural integrity is never compromised. Skilled tradespeople work in coordination, guided by clear leadership and meticulous oversight. Inside, open floor plans welcome natural light. Seamless indoor-outdoor transitions embrace the California climate. Refined finishes add warmth and elegance. Every space is designed to feel functional, comfortable, and enduring. Exceptional construction goes beyond structure. It requires transparency, communication, and accountability. Perry Lieber manages every project with structured timelines, budget clarity, and consistent client collaboration, ensuring confidence at every milestone. In today's evolving landscape, sustainability matters. Energy-efficient systems, quality insulation, and smart home integration are incorporated whenever possible, blending innovation with long-lasting craftsmanship. The result is a home that enhances property value in competitive markets like Montecito and Santa Barbara, while elevating everyday living. True building excellence is not measured only in square footage or materials. It is measured in trust, durability, and the lives lived within those walls. Perry Lieber. Building construction excellence in Santa Barbara. Creating homes that inspire, endure, and stand the test of time.